Good morning. So, someone on my Patreon site asked, would it be possible to view links within Google Sheets? And the short answer, yes. It's not going to be an optimal experience, but if it's really something you want to do, sure, why not? There are some restrictions though. You won't be able to view links that require authentication. So if you're trying to open LinkedIn links, you're going to have a bad time. But for whatever reason, you're just trying to view news articles or something, then yeah, sure, you can do that. So let's take a look at some data we've got here. So let's just say you've got a table like so, right? Now, the you can have the links pretty much anywhere, and your header shouldn't matter really either. So then you'll need to go to script editor. Let me zoom in here, right? So we're going to go to tools, script editor, and we're just going to copy paste some code over here, and we'll run through what the code does. Okay, so in the first couple of lines, you will need to change some things, right? So you'll need to take your sheet ID, which you can find in the URL section of your browser. So here, up here, you'll see it. It'll be past the D before the edit. You'll just cut that right out and then paste it over top of that ID, right? And then same thing with sheet name. So in this case, it's sheet 1 for me. We've got that, and we're going to call this link viewer demo. Okay. Now, the very first thing you'll need to do to get this running in your sheet is just select on open and click run, and it's going to ask you for some permissions. And so you will need to approve those permissions by clicking through to advanced, go to link viewer demo, click allow, and now you're set. So then back over here on the page, you will see this new quickly tools option, and then you can click links viewer, and it will then bring the page, the first URL in your table through like so, and you can go through and read your stuff. And then, you know, if you just want to go to the next page, you can go to the next page. Just keep paging through the links until you're done. When it gets to the end, it will fail because I haven't really finished the build, but frankly, like, I don't know. I feel like this is good enough for the question. So yeah, it looks like it failed here. You know, if you wanted to know kind of when you end it and stuff, it's doable. I'm kind of done programming for right now. This morning I need to go do some other stuff. So that's it. I'm gonna share the code. Have fun with it, I guess. It's kind of a neat idea. I'm just not sure that it's optimal because, you know, I don't know that it's a lot more difficult to just open the link, but whatever. It's interesting.